Alright, we're in Toronto at some place. The Tenor. The Tenor.
What the hell?
Oh, that's one of those goofy 3D
Did you say
sensors.
Westie? That is not a Westinghouse door track, buddy.
Well, it kind of looks like one.
No, it does not.
Well, it kind of looks like one, I swear. If you look really hard at it.
4th floor.
You can only go
It
two,
is, in
one, and
fact.
four. You should be able to go to 5. That's where the restaurant is. No, it's on 4.
No, guys, the sushi place is on 3.
1st floor.
Okay, good on.
1st floor. Going up.
These are Fujitex.
How do you know?
They look like it.
Fourth floor.
Oh. Yeah, see, the restaurant is upstairs. That doesn't make sense.
4th floor.
Going down.
First floor.